So glad I didn't put any makeup on my face to do this video, because, I was going to take stuff from the box, put on my face. I got highlighter and some lip gloss. I got some other nice products, but just, thanks for staring at this blank canvas. Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wago stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious what you get in a $50 Lurella mystery box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, so first off, I'd like to give a shout out to my friend Tiffany from Tiffany's Mysteries. I'm going to link her site down below. She's a new channel. She does fantastic unboxing videos, mystery boxes, and some subscription boxes. They are edited so beautifully, and she doesn't talk. It's all just very short, well executed videos with information on the screen. Go check her out. Tell her I sent you. She just hit 30 subscribers. I really want to support and see her channel grow. She is fantastic. Anyways, she told me about this mystery box. I'm not familiar with this brand. So what do? Shell out 50 bucks to get some more unnecessary, unneeded makeup products, because I'm a sucker for a good deal sale, and I love a good mystery box. This guy weighs, for the size, weighs quite a lot, like more than my Ipsy or BoxyCharm. And I'm very curious because it says fragile. I don't know why they need a fragile sticker. So let's dive into this guy and figure out what we got. By the way, this brand is family owned and run. They do have a subscription box I'm not familiar with. They also have two different, if you're into the false eyelashes, they offer two separate, like one was $19 a month and one was $21 a month. Don't know what the difference was. They're not paying me to say any of this. I just was throwing that out there if you're curious, or if you're into the eyelashes, or if we like these products in here, maybe we'll subscribe. But let me stop rambling and let's dig in and see what is so heavy. This is what the inside of the box looks like. Nicely packaged with some tissue paper and a sticker. Here's what the inside looks like. It's very filled to the rim. All right, what is this first item? This guy is taped up 6 days to Sunday plus bubble wrap. Un momento, por favor. That took forever, and there's still more bubble wrap. Okay. Oh my god, and there's cellophane around it. What is this? Okay, the brand is Lurella, and this is called Starling. Ooh, it's a highlighter. Please be a shade I can wear. So far, this brand is making me work hard for my makeup. Let's get the last bit of plastic off and take a look. All right, so here is the packaging. Ooh, comes with a mirror. That is what it looks like. Ooh, that looks doable. All right, let's swatch it. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, I intentionally am not wearing makeup other than I have foundation, concealer, mascara on, because I knew I'd be doing an unboxing with makeup. Let's put this on my face. She's shiny. And I like, at first I thought it was a little too dark. It's kind of like a champagne-y, soft, rosy, pinky. But you get the shimmer without it looking like a white stripe. You know what I mean? It blends in with my skin tone. Ooh, first product. Doing good. This is really reasonably priced. It's on their site now for $11.90. I don't know if they're having a sale. It normally retails for $14, which that's a really good deal. Okay, next item. What is this? We have, this is Iconic Glass. I assume it's going to be a lip product. Again, with the cellophane packaging. You want to get packaging like that. It's just when you're doing an unboxing, it becomes annoying because it slows things down and makes noise. Apologies. Okay, what are you? You're in the shade Allure. Ooh. Oh, please be a lip. I love this shade. Are you a lip? Yes. It's either a liquid lipstick or lip gloss. It's going on my lips in 2 seconds. We'll find out. I love shades like this. It's not the best for me on camera, but in real life, it's, yes. I love a good nude like that. Not sticky at all. Has a nice, soft, subtle scent of, like, I picked up some citrus of some sort. Don't quote me on that, but it didn't smell sweet. Didn't smell chemically. I'm liking this. Okay, 2 for 2. A beauty brand I've never heard of before in a mystery box. 2 for 2. All right, let's see how product number 3 goes. Oh my God, these are so cute. These are the world's tiniest little teardrop shaped sponges. And what's the bottom thingy? Okay, so this retails for $8 and it has 3 little sponges, and then this bottom thing is like soap for cleaning the sponges. Very nice, very cute. Although the smaller the sponge, my fumbly fingers, they're not the best for me just because I like a grip, but they do get in nicely around the eyes. All right, what is this? We got some scissors cutting you off. Made in China. Those are fancy. They're rose gold. And are these for like your cuticles? You know what I use them for. Get my little stray brow hairs. Or to help me open packaging when I do my unboxing. Oh, okay, because remember earlier I said they sell eyelashes? I don't wear false eyelashes, but these are lash scissors, so you can, you know, trim your eyelashes. And they retail for $8. Okay. Next item. What is this? We have, ooh, it's a LED compact mirror. Ooh, it's in a really pretty kind of dusty rose. I don't want to blind you, but that is what it looks like. And does it come with batteries? Ooh, it already has batteries in it. Okay, that is lovely, looking good. That will help me as I do my videos here. All right, I like that product too. On to the next item. Okay, the next item are some false eyelashes, and this is the style called Chica. Sorry, my lighting's a little funky. They're quite long. Not my cup of tea. Leave me a comment if you would ever like to see me attempt to put on false eyelashes. Yes. If not, these will be in a future giveaway. All right. Next item. No wonder the box was so heavy. this is the next item, and it's quite hefty. Let me take the wrapper off so it doesn't crinkle. Assume this is going to be some brushes, and my favorite color is black. Ooh, and this is nice. It's hefty. It's like got a faux kind of vinyl on the outside, like a leathery, vinyl-y, I don't know my fabrics, but we have some nice brushes. Ooh, the brushes are even black. All right, so here's like a flat top. That feels pretty soft. We have a nice blush or contour brush. This could be used for highlighter or on top of your eyes to blend. Here's a nice blending brush for the crease. These are nice. Here's a little angled brush. Oh, here's one I would use for blush. Another kind of angled crease brush. This one would be really good to get under your lash line. And then here we have a spoolie on one end and for your brows or eyeliner. So we have 9 brushes in that cute little compartment case for traveling. Ooh, that would just set on your desk like that. Okay, so this is the Onyx brush set, and it retails for $28. Okay, on to the next item. All right, so this is the last item. It is a palette. I presume it would be eyeshadow, and it's totally tubular. That seems like it's from the 80s, my era. I'm going to look online. It does come safety sealed with plastic wrap around it. If this is funky, fun colors kind of indicated here, I'm going to leave it sealed because, as you may or may not know, if you're new, welcome. For those who've been around, you know I'm like a basic neutrals, non-adventurous lady. But maybe this will shock and surprise me, and I'll open it and put it on my face. Oh no. So this retails for $22, and it has like 3 different pinks. It has teals, like these colors, the blues, the teals, yellows, orange, greens, neon green. Just if you're adventurous, you probably would love this. Not my cup of tea. I will show a picture of all the colors you get. But okay, so this was a fun, interesting box. My question, is it worth $50? I'm going to list the full tally of all the MSRP versus what I paid. What are your thoughts? So the grand total was $100.90. I think that's a pretty good mystery box. You get twice as much of what you spent. There were some interesting products, and some products I really enjoy. This highlighter I think is fantastic. I'm loving this lip gloss. Who doesn't need a pair of scissors? How cute are these? And yes, these brushes look fantastic. Dig in the mirror. The only ones that are a little not up my alley is, you know, the big star, the palette. That's because I'm boring and I don't wear false eyelashes. Everything else I will use and enjoy. Let me know, have you heard of Lurella before? Have you tried their products? This lip gloss at $10 is a winner. I may even be shopping and getting additional colors, although not really because I have so many lip products I need to go through first. But I want to in the future. All right, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. Remember to click that bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. And you see this guy right down there? Looks like this. It would mean the world to me if you would click on that. It really does help with that gosh darn YouTube algorithm. All right, thanks everyone.